Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I know what this is, and I am very, very excited about it. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Finally getting my voice back, but I threw my back out in the dumbest way possible just the other day. So if I suddenly, it's because, yeah, my back is tweaked, so that's been fun. Anyways, darn it, it's taped to the inside the box. Ah! Okay, almost. There, okay. And we have, yes. Wait a minute. No way. Okay, it's still the knife that I thought it was, but there is a detail to this. I am freaking out about this tape right now. Oh my gosh, struggle bus. Here we go. Yes. Wonderful. Which side? Wonderful. Oh, what does that say for the blade material? What does that say? I think it says Magnacut, which is not something that I was expecting. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, let's go. Oh my gosh, I am so pumped for this. I have not been this excited for a knife in a long time, and what's funny is that it's a smaller knife, which is definitely not normally something that I get so excited about. So this is the Rockwall from Tactile, from the Tactile Knife Company. These are made in the USA, and this one has a thumb stud. Oh, that's just beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh, look at that. Magnacut. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now. I feel bad for anybody who's watching my channel for the first time thinking, what is wrong with it? Like you guys who watch my channel every day, right? You know, they're like, oh, this is one of those times where he's freaking out. But it's been so long since I've got the warm fuzzies of something that's just so spectacular. I saw the image of this. Now, I've handled and reviewed the flipper, which I loved. And then I saw that they had done a thumb stud version. I thought, oh, that's so cool. And then they reached out to me and said, do you want to check one out for review? And I said, absolutely. But I did not know that they were going to send me one in Magnacut. Look at that inset liner. Oh. The texturing on the titanium. Look at that pocket clip. One of the most perfect pocket clip designs in history. Oh, yeah. What a sweet EDC knife. Oh, my gosh. Not a review, guys. Not a review. Just a really weird first impressions video of a guy making a lot of different noises and different, different levels of volume. It's weird thinking that there are quite a few people subscribed to me who are willingly watching this. It's just barely any info. I will make sure that you guys have a link to the Tactile Knife Company right down in the description so that you can check this out, because I don't know about the Magnacut versions, but I do believe that they have versions at least available in CTS XHP. The Magnacut is a nice cherry on top, but truthfully, I mean, did they do some in LC200N or CTS XHP? I can't remember, but this is just magnificent. Oh, the laser accuracy. It's so nice to see something coming out of an American company. I am just so happy about this. I cannot wait to carry and use this guy. How wonderful. Oh, very cool. So, Will you get a full comprehensive review of this guy? Yes, you absolutely will. Need to spend some time with it. Need to just kind of experience it. You guys will get a full video in 2 to 3 weeks. I will try to go a little faster with this guy, maybe prioritize it because I know people want to know about it. But yeah, very cool. Make sure you guys follow the Tactile Knife Company on Instagram and make sure to check out their website. Very, very cool. Oh boy. Very excited about this. Anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. There's my card. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.